Which other coal mining area this side? Which is the coal mining area this side, along this route?
Coal mining area. This area is Rangna itself is coal mining.
Coal mining area.
Haga arpo pratarik mentau benai risau arhajar arpo. Unong elam jongkal yang persya haging dorpar tauan ke jelam Meghalaya. Dr. Mukul Sangma rengkat bat wede ki MLA ke Seng Kongres. Kilelet jurip hidalade ke jaka bala penlang yu Dewiong bala deputi hakatan rilom Jaintia. Ki jaka ki bau Dr. Mukul Sangma ulelet jurip akni kesngi ki bala keno bagi dai ki balong Be-Ain. Ki kentup ke jaka bu Dewiong hakasnong kli rangna asangpung ki bahap ke distrik West Jingtih Hills. Bat ke jaka bat muli lam yu Dewiong ki badan hak distrik East Jingtih Hills. Hagani ke jinglet juret yu Dr. Mukul Sangma la senran lang dak arwut ki MLA ke Seng Kongres bakentup yu MLA na seorang kam constituency uba David Nongrum badu MLA ke Shillong South constituency uba Mohendro Rapsang berangkat ki Borsen Shah district Karilum Jaintia. Hagani ke jing juret agani ke singi kini ke tenhuan jogel yang persya akhir dorbar tauan ke jela kalalap ba uba bon hi Dewiong ubadan kini ke jaka udai ubadang sudep ti thamai bat kini ke long Be-Ain namar baka National Green Tribunal kampat syak banti thamai reitang mencusalan biau beladap ti mencua kumta nakaliang kena kenhuan jogi MLA ke Seng Kongres kena kesni kila penram jor ke sorkar halor ke jing bamla bantek kami ke jing beteng ya ke jing ki Be-Ain yu Dewiong bat kila dawan ke sorkar bantung daka kenhuan tokit ke balak lut bantokit halor kena ke kam Be-Ain
Issues which has to be known by everybody. You'll find interesting revelations. Technology is available today with all of us. Therefore, authority has to take recourse to the availability of technology and work on it. Now, that's why we are trying to find out how much is there and where, how it is coming. This scale of complete the on the ground zero. I received one representation from one of the RTA activists indicating that there has been a complaint lodged in this particular area that there is some unclaimed coal. And accordingly, direction has been given to verify, inquire upon and submit a report. And again, indicate the quantity of the coal. Now, in the report, it indicated 141,000 metric ton. So, going by this figure, which is available from the government document, which is in the process, it definitely needed certain attention from all of us who are concerned for the state. The issue of illegal coal mining and illegal transportation of coal has been on for quite some time. Now, if we go by what is happening across the state is that there is a well-scripted modus operandi. And I can understand that the officers are working under pressure. It's a question of going deep into the as to who are those mastermind. It can be considered as more or less like a criminal conspiracy. You know what is criminal conspiracy as per law? When more than two people are involved in plotting or conspiring anything criminal or anything illegal. Here, there's an involvement of too many people, otherwise you have seen the scale, the area And we also saw certain activity happening when we went to the last lot. And we have completed, in fact, the DMO is counting the lots. Each of the stacks are, as you can see, they indicate, one load coming from these siding vehicles which they use, four-wheelers, maybe dumpers. So total that has been counted. We are almost half done now. It is 300 plus now, 300 plus vehicle. Say 350 or even 400. Approximately in this whole area, if there are 1,000 truckloads which have been dumped here, 1,000 into 10 will be 10,000. 1,000 into 15 will be 15,000. You go on multiplier effect. If it is 2,000, then it will be 20,000 or 30,000. If it is 3,000, then it will be 45,000. So that's also quite interesting. That means the number has been predetermined. Even the number, this is ongoing process. You can see some of the lots are freshly dumped. But this report is of June 23rd. You don't see these coals which have been dumped here to have been dumped in the month of June. It is not. It's fresh. That means this 23rd June's report, by then probably it must have been just 10% of what is visible before us. It's a continuous process. That's why I have decided to come here. It's something like getting caught while in the act, getting caught in the act. The whole process of official work is on. As I have said, well scripted modus operandi. Now, why this is happening? Number one, on the 3rd July last year, the Honorable Supreme Court has already given its verdict, judgment. Now, what is the order? What is the operational part? Operational part, besides asking the government to ensure that legal mining, which is completely scientific, in conformity with the statutory laws in respect of environment, safety and health, should be started, and that cannot be stopped. That is the operational part. And another operational part is that all those coal which has been submitted as part of the inventory by the state government itself, 32 lakh metric ton of extracted coal, as indicated by the government across different districts of the state, which was claimed to be lying. And based on that, Honorable Supreme Court has in its order directed that all these coal should be disposed of through auctioning by engaging Coal India Limited. Why is this delay? Now everybody is asking, why is this delay? Now, is it the scripted modus operandi of this government to delay this auctioning of the 32 lakh metric ton which was submitted in its inventory before the Honorable Supreme Court? Delay, and engage in this kind of corrupt practice. There are two things that's happening. One is continuation of illegal mining. Another one is, in the name of this implementation of this scripted modus operandi of so-called auctioning the unclaimed coal, people are asking, this unclaimed coal, where is this unclaimed coal coming from? You have orders after order. It's not happening only in West Jaintia Hills or East Jaintia Hills. It's happening in West Khas Hills, happening in South Garo Hills. So that's why I'm saying this modus operandi, well scripted, is not by the district authorities. It is under the behest of some powerful people. This must be investigated.